Hi guys, welcome back. I'm going to start a new series. In this series I'm going to teach you how to work with ESP32. In this video I'm going to use ESP32-Cam to set up a camera. This module has its own camera, so you don't need to provide any external camera. If you want to set up this board, you need a FTDI module as well, because you cannot connect this board to the computer by itself. And let's see the connection. At first you should connect the ground to ground. If your board has a 5 volt, it works with 5 volt, you should connect the VCC to 5 volt. If it works with 3 volt, you should connect the VCC to 3 volt. Mine is work with 5 volt. Here you can see two jumper. If you are using 5 volt, you should set it as you can see on the picture. If you want to change it to 3 volt, you should put the jumper on the left side. Next step is to connect the TX to RX of the board, which is labeled by U0R, and the RX to TX, which is labeled U0T. And during the loading, the programming, you should connect the IO0 to ground, but we did it right now. So before connecting the board to the computer, you should connect the IO0 to the ground. Next step is to download and install Arduino IDE, which I have already done it. And let's open it and go to File, Preferences, Additional Board Manager URLs. You should provide this address here. I will put it on the description. Then press OK. Go to Tools, Board, Board Manager. Here you should type ESP32. Go to this one, ESP32 by Espressif. You should install this. Since I have already installed it, and it doesn't have this button here. But before that, you should go to Windows Defender Firewall. Turn Windows Defender Firewall on and off. Here you should turn them off, because if you don't, during the installation, the Windows Defender will delete some files and it cause you some problems. So remember that, turn off the Windows Defender off. Alright, and after you install the ESP32 by Espressif successfully, you should go to this one, select other board and ports, and write your board ESP32-Cam. Mine is here, AI Thinker ESP32-Cam. OK. After that, you should go to File, Example, ESP32. I want to set up a camera, so I'll go to Camera Web Server. Let's wait. As you can see, another Arduino IDE will pop up, so we close the last one. And Arduino provide all the code that we need here. We just need to provide that adjustment. We don't need this code, so we comment it. Since we are using AI Thinker, we should uncomment this. Next step is to provide the SSID and password. Okay, go to Wi-Fi Manager, Properties, go down. This is my SSID, so I copy it, put it here, and your password. And that's my password, and that's it. Let's verify it. And it might take several minutes, so let's wait. Alright, if you are seeing this message, it means the code was verified successfully. So As you can see here, there is no connected board to my computer, so I connect my board. As you can see, it was connected, so let's upload it, and this might take several minutes as well, so let's wait. Alright, as you can see, it's uploading. Okay, as you can see here, you should halt resetting via RTS pin. Alright, here you should unplug the board from the computer, so you remove the USB, and then you should remove the IO0 pin from ground. We needed this pin for uploading, now we don't need it. Let's go to tools. We need serial monitor as well. Alright, let's connect the board again. Okay, it was connected. Let's go to serial monitor and press the button on the board. That's a reset button. As you can see, it's working, and it provides us a HTTP address. And as you can see, Wi-Fi connected, camera is ready, and we use this address to use the camera. So let's use it. Copy it, go to your browser, paste it. Here you should go down and start streaming. As you can see, it's working very well, and that's me. Alright, that's it. If you have any question, write them down in the comment section below, and I will provide the answer as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Bye.